He says, what are your thoughts on drivers running on the chip every lap?
I mean, certain places that I've seen and been to, it can be a benefit. Most places is not going to be.
Mm-hmm.
I'll use Pittsburgh in Pennsylvania as an example. It's a big, giant half-mile track, and we saw some modified racing up there with 602 modifieds a couple of years ago, I think, when we were up there.
Mm-hmm.
And these guys are like coming off the corner and they're beating the chip before the flag stand on a half-mile track. I'm like, pull some freaking gear out of the damn thing. You just gain some mile an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're just gonna bog down. Yeah.
I have no idea why the hell you're beating shit out of a rev limiter before the flag stand on a half-mile track.
Right.
So yeah, there are certain scenarios where that does help you. Usually it's going to be a short, slick, quarter-mile type racetrack. Half-mile stuff, no, it's just killing you. So the first guy smart enough to pull gear out of it and actually use the engine in the RPM range it's designed to be used in is probably going to kick everybody's ass.
Well, and you've always found too that we get that question quite a bit, as far as where should we be with the rev limiter and all of that, or what size chip, and so many times you've come back and said, yeah, instead of the 6400 or the 6800 for a 602 versus a 604, that your most successful guys are running 62, 63 on a 602. Yeah. And they might be running 66 with a 604. Right. So they're not flirting with the chip every lap.
And considering they're using that last 1,000 RPM before they actually hit the chip to just get down the straightaway without hitting the chip.
Yeah.
A 602 basically falls on its damn face at 5,300 RPM.
Oh.
So, but you got to have that gear in order to get in that power range, get off the corner and get it down the straightaway.
Gotcha.